Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Bugun sizlar bilan IELTS imtihoningizda tushishi mumkin bo'lgan passajni ko'rib chiqamiz. Bu ko'rib turganinglar bu IELTS veb-sayti. IELTS bu men 3 oydan beri ishlatib kelaman va juda ham zo'r. O'quvchilarimga ham shundan foydalantiraman. O'sha imtihonga topshirguncha bu yoqdagi hamma praktik testlar imtihonda tushish ehtimoli juda ham yuqori. Tushgan ham, o'zimga ham tushgan va ikkinchidan format bir xil. Hozir ko'rasizlar, hozir birga mana bu passajni birga tahlil qilamiz. Men bu passajni ishlamaganman oldin. Xo'p, birgalikda ko'ramiz. Mana realism interface degan yaqinda qo'shildi bu narsa. Practice interface ikkalasi deyarli bir xil narsa, hech qanaqa deyarli farqi yo'q. Xo'p, kelinglar full mode qolamiz. Endi boshladik. Facial expression bizga qanaqa savol turlari berilgan ekan? Bizga berilgan ekan, demak, summary completion o'xshagan narsa berilgan ekan. 15 minut vaqt berilibdi va bu yoqda nima bor ekan? Matching information berilgan ekan va oxirida multiple choice'ga o'xshagan, ya'ni classification savol turi deyiladi. Shunaqa savol turi berilgan ekan. Facial expression is one or more motions or positions of the muscles in the skin. These movements convey the emotional state of the individual to observers. By the way, guys, mana shu narsani aytishim kerak. Mani speakingim maksimal 8 gacha chiqqan, 9 emas. O'shaning uchun pronunciationda muammo bo'ladigan bo'lsa, shuni bilinglar, men 9li speaker emasman. Facial expressions are a form of non-verbal communication. Demak, bizga facial expression haqida gapiryapti, ya'ni yuz ifodasi haqida gap ketyapti. Xo'p, qaranglar, biza vaqtimiz cheklangan. Agar men tarjima qilib tushuntirib beradigan bo'lsam, vaqtimiz yetmasligi mumkin. Kerakli joylarni tushuntirib ketaman. Xo'p. Facial expressions are a form of non-verbal communication. They are primary means of conveying social information among humans, but also occur in most other mammals and some other animal species. Demak, faqat bu facial expression degan narsa insonlarda emas, hayvonlarda ham bo'lib turadi, deyapti. Facial expressions and their significance in the perceiver can, to some extent, vary between cultures, with evidence from descriptions in the works of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin shu haqida ham yozib ketgan ekan. Demak, culturelar orasida buni facial expression demak har xilcha nima qilinishi mumkin ekan, nima deydi? Perceive qilinishi mumkin, tushunilishi mumkin ekan. Demak, the result of Ekman study haqida o'qiganimiz yo'q, bizga 2 words deb qo'ydi ekan. Demak, bu yoqni ko'rib chiqamiz. You may use any letter more than once berilgan. Difficulty and identifying. Difficulty haqida gapirmadik. Actual meaning of facial expression, identifying actual meaning, I'm sorry. Importance of culture. Culture ahamiyati on facial expression is initially described. The importance of culture on facial expression. Initially degan narsa, ya'ni birinchidan degan narsa haqida gapirmadik, u narsani. Collected data for the research on the relation between, demak, munosabat blink degani ko'z qisimi shunaqa, success in elections. Bu haqida ham gapirganmiz, elections, ya'ni saylovlar haqida gapirgan. Features on the sociality of several facial expression. Several facial expression haqida ham gapirmadik. Indicator to reflect one's extent of nervousness haqida ham gapirmadik. Indicator haqida ham gapirmadik. Relation between emotion and facial expression. Emotion va facial expression o'rtasidagi aloqa deyapti. Mana hech qaysi haqida gapirmadik. Agar mobilda o'tkazib yuborgan bo'lsak ham qaytib kelamiz. 12 minut vaqtimiz qoldi. Ekman theory haqida. Agar aytayotganimda mobilda mana shu yerdan o'tkazgan bo'lishimiz mumkin. Qaytib kelamiz. Xo'p, humans can adopt the facial expression to read as a voluntary action. However, because expression are closely tied to emotions, emotion endi gapirish boshlaymiz, they are more often involuntary. So, voluntary action and involuntary action. Ya'ni voluntary degani sizlar bilib qilasizlar, involuntary bilmasdan turib qilasizlar degani. Xo'p, shunaqa ma'noni beryapti menimcha. Because expression are closely tied to emotion. Emotsiyaga aloqalangani uchun, tay bo'lgani uchun, ya'ni bog'langanligi uchun bular asosan demak o'zimiz bilmagan holda qilamiz debdi. It can be nearly impossible to avoid expression for certain emotions. Ya'ni ma'lum bir emotsiyalar uchun facial expressiondan qochish qiyin. Misol uchun odam jahli chiqqan payti, xafa bo'lgan payti, even when it would be strongly desirable to do so. Ya'ni sen qilishing kerak bo'lsa ham ba'zida qila olmaysan baribir deyapti. A person who is trying to avoid insulting an individual, misol uchun ba'zida kulgimizda tiyishimiz kerak bo'ladi, lekin baribir bildirib qo'yamizku, he or she finds highly unattractive might nevertheless show a brief expression of disgust. Ya'ni o'sha yoqtirmaganlik ma'nosini ko'rsatib qo'yar ekan before being able to reassume a neutral expression. Ya'ni o'sha neytralniy bunaqa expressionga qaytishdan oldin deyapti, baribir bildirib qo'yadi deyapti. Micro expressions, ya'ni juda ham kichkina expressionlar are one example of this phenomenon. The close link between emotion and expression can also work in other direction, boshqa directionda ham ishlashi mumkin. It has been observed that voluntarily assuming an expression can actually cause the associated emotions. Demak, asosan mana bu haqida gapirdik. Mana the relation between emotion and the facial expression haqida gapirdik. Demak, B paragrafda gap ketdi. Ekman haqida gapirganmiz. O'shaning uchun bu yoqdagi tepadagi va pastdagi savollar ochiq qolaveradi. U haqida biza xavotir olishimiz shart emas. 10 minut vaqtimiz qoldi. Indicated to reflect one extent. Nervousness haqida gapirmadik. Hop, features on the sociality yo'q. Blink haqida gapirmadik. Expression initially culture yo'q. And difficulty factor yo'q. Tak. Shuni masalasini manimcha gapirmadik. Paragrafga manimcha yana qaytib boramiz. Hop, ketdik, davom etamiz. Some expression can be accurately interpreted even between members of different species. Anger and extreme contentment being the primary examples. Hop, ma'lum bir expressionlar deyapti. Different members of different species larning o'rtasida ham bemalol interpret qilsa bo'ladi, ya'ni talqin qilsa bo'laveradi deyapti. Ya'ni ular universal, ya'ni misol uchun anger yoki bo'lmasa contentment, ya'ni juda ham bir content bo'lish degani xursand bo'lish, shunaqa bular asosiy examplelari hisoblanar ekan. Others however are difficult to interpret, ya'ni boshqalari bo'lsa deyapti, interpret qilish, ya'ni talqin qilish juda ham qiyin deyapti. Misol uchun deyapti in familiar individuals, for instance, disgust and fear can be tough to tell apart. Yani disgust bilan fear'da farqini aytish juda ham qiyin deyapti. Faces have only a limited range of moments. Face'larni demak limited range of moment'lari bor. Expressions rely upon fairly in minuscule difference in the proportion and the relative position of facial features. And the reading them requires considerable sensitivity to the same. Xullas, juda mushkul shu haqida gap ketyapti. Some faces are often falsely read as expressing some emotion. Yani ba'zida adashib ketadi deyapti o'qiyotgan paytda shu expressionlar. Even when they are neutral, because their proportion naturally resemble those another face would temporarily assume one emotion. Plus, qiyin, difficulty haqida gapirdik. Difficulty identifying the actual meaning of facial expression. Demak, javob nima bo'ladi? C bo'ladi. Ya'ni qiyinlik haqida gap ketyapti. Qaranglar, mana bu yoqda difficulty interpret degan o'zi ma'no chiqarish deganda, identify the actual meaning degan ma'noni bildiradi. Shuning uchun javob bu yoqda 8 minut vaqtimiz qoldi. Ekman haqida hali ham gapirmaymiz. Davom etamiz. Bizda D, E, 2, 3, 5 paragraf qoldi. Ulguramiz, bemalol ulguramiz. Sal shoshilibroq o'qiyapman, lekin nasib ulguramiz. Also a person's eyes, garchi deyapti, odam ko'zlari deyapti, reveal qilsa ham deyapti, ya'ni oshkor qilsa ham about how much they are feeling, ya'ni qanaqa his qilayotgani, or what they are thinking, ya'ni nimani o'ylayotganini aytish mumkin deyapti. Qilsa ham degan narsa yo'q ekan, ya'ni golzo degan narsa yo'q ekan. Blink rate, ana blink haqida o'qiyapmiz. Ko'z qisish can reveal how nervous or at ease a person maybe, ya'ni qanchalik odam tinchlanib turibdi yoki bo'lmasa xavotirda, o'sha narsani ko'rsatib beradi ekan. Ko'zimizni ochib yumganmiz. Xullas, mana shu professor mana shu odam aytar ekanki, deyapti, suggest stress levels are revealed by blink rates. Ya'ni stress ham o'shandan ko'rinar ekan. Bu datani support qilar ekan, statistikasi bor ekan bu bo'yicha, on the relation between blink rates and presidential candidates and their success in their race. Demak, mana bu haqida gapirdik. Election haqida gapirdik. Buni qaysi paragrafda? D paragrafda gapiryapmiz. Hop, and their success in their races. Teksemi, I don't know how to pronounce this. The faster blinker in the presidential debates has lost every election since 19. Ya'ni qancha ko'p ko'zni ochib yumgan bo'lsa, o'shalar yutqizgan ekan electionlarda. Buni datasi juda ham qiziqarli. Non-verbal communication is multi-channel. Ya'ni o'z odam tili bilan gapirmaydigan muloqot bu kanallari ko'pligini ko'rsatar ekan va focusing only one aspect is reckless. Ya'ni reckless degani bu noto'g'ri narsa degan ma'noni bildiradi. Ya'ni faqat bitta tomonga qarash bu noto'g'ri narsa hisoblanadi. Nervousness can also be measured by examining each in the candidates per separation, eye contact and stiffness. Shularga qarab turib ham nima qilish mumkin ekan? Nervouslikni aniqlasa bo'lar ekan. Bu yoqda nervous and indicated to reflect one extent bo'lishi mumkin deb paragrafda ham gapiryapmiz. Ya'ni o'sha nervousness haqida ham gap ketyapti. Mana nervousness measured by indicate shu haqida gapirilyapti. Ya'ni one aspect degani o'sha bunaki blink haqida gap ketyapti. Yana 2 minut yo'q, o'shaning uchun davom etamiz. Bizda 6 minut vaqt qoldi. Xo'p, as Charles Darwin noted in his books, demak aytib o'tgan ekan mana shu kitobida hayvonlar va odamlar degan, the young and the old of wildly different races, both men and animals, right, express the same state of mind by the same moments. Demak, bir xil deydi. still up to the 20 asrning o'rtalarigacha deyapti. Most anthropologists believe that facial expression were entirely learned and could therefore different among cultures. And cultural o'rtasida farqli importance of culture of facial expression is described. Mana shu haqida gapiramiz menimcha. Initially degani demak mana bunaqa narsa. 20 asrda o'rtalarigacha bu Charles Darwinni birinchi marta aytishi shunga o'xshagan narsalar demak shu initialga to'g'ri kelyapti menimcha. Most anthropologists believe that facial expression were entirely learned and could therefore differ among cultures. Studies conducted in the 1960s, Paul Ekman, shall support Darwin's beliefs to a larger degree. Demak, shu I paragrafda biz 7ga olib turamiz. Hop, nima uchun men bu yoqda bosilib ketdi? Building. Bu mana bu I ga o'tib ketib qolibdi ekanda. Xo'p, bizda 5 minut vaqt qoldi. Features on the sociality. Bu yerda savol qoldi bu yoqda. Ekmandan endi gapirishni boshladik. Menimcha keyingi paragrafdan ko'proq savolga javob chiqsa kerak. 3 ta paragraf qoldi bizda. Ekman's work on facial expression had its starting point in the work of psychologist Sylvan Tompkins. Xo'p, Ekman showed that the contrary to the belief of some anthropologists, including shu odamlarning gapiga zid ravishda deyapti, facial expression of emotion are not culturally determined. Ya'ni culturally determined qilinmas ekan, but universal across human cultures. Ya'ni bitta xalq bitta millatga tegishli emas ekanda, umumiy ekan hammada deyapti. The South Four people of New Genua, right, were chosen as subjects for one survey. Ya'ni menimcha savollarni o'qib qo'yishimiz kerak. Fear and surprise haqida o'qish kerak ekan. Or nimadir truly nimadir bo'lishi kerak ekan. Persistently. Hope survey, the study consists of shuncha adult va shuncha bolani tashkil qilib ekan among a very isolated population as well as the 23 members of the culture who lived a less isolated lifestyle. Controlled group. The participants were told a story that described one particular emotion. They were then showed 3 pictures, 2 for children, facial expression, and asked to match the pictures which express the story. Let's experiment haqida gapirdi. Mana buni o'qib qo'ydik. No evidence shows animals have their own facial expression. The potential relationship between facial expression still not find exists. Facial expression are concerned in different cultures, different areas on face. Mancha davom etamiz. While isolated South 4, bu bitta savol qolgan bizda mancha. Features on. Xo'p, ikkita paragraf qoldi bu yerda. While the isolated South 4 mana bularni o'tkazib yuboramiz. Result of Ekman study. Mancha endi chiqsa kerak. While the isolated South 4 people could identify emotions with the same accuracy as the non-isolated control group, problems associated with this study include the fact that both fear and surprise were constantly misidentified degan so'zimiz bizga synonim bo'lyapti. Nima bo'lyapti? Hope the study concluded that certain facial expressions correspond to particular emotions correspond. Hope conclusion that some facial expression have something to do with certain which cannot be covered. And particular emotions. Emotion degan so'z bilan to'g'ri keladi. Emotion degan so'z to'g'ri keladi bu yoqda, boshqa so'z to'g'ri kelmaydi menimcha. Regardless of nimasiga qaramasdan, regardless of cultural backgroundga qaramasdan. Whether the culture has been, regardless of whether or not the culture has been isolated bo'lishiga qaramasdan deyapti ekan, or exposed to. Oson chiqdi bunisi. Hop. Bizda 2 minut vaqt qoldi. Features on the sociality of facial expression. Expression Ekman found to be universally include those indicating anger, disgust, fear, or joy, sadness, or surprise. None of these emotions has a distinctive social importance, such as shape, pride, or contempt. Right? Less clear, so there is a prime. Social self. Several mashinalar haqida gap ketyapti. Demak, bu oxirgisi bo'ladi, menimcha adashmasam. Xo'p, bizda 1 minut vaqt qoldi. No evidence shows animals have their own facial expression. The potential relationship between facial expression and state of mind exists. Findings on contempt are less clear, though there is at least some preliminary evidence that this emotion and its are universally recognized. This may suggest that facial expression of the mind, each part of the face, can express specific emotion. The potential relation between facial expression and facial expression are concerning to different cultures. different areas on face convey a certain state of mind. Mind controls men's facial expression more obvious than women's. Manimcha mana shu ikkalasi bo'ladi. Bizda bir minut vaqt qoldi. Ko'rdinglar, bu baribir nima 15 minut vaqt ichida tahlil qilib ishlab berish salgina qiyinroq. Bilmadim endi, menda shunaqaroq. Xo'p, ko'ramiz. 49 sekund vaqtimiz qoldi bu yoqda. Manimcha mana shu ikkalasi bo'ladi. Oxirgi o'qigandan sal nimalarni tushundim. Tushungan narsalar bo'yicha menimcha shu ikkalasi bo'ladi. Boshqa to'g'risi ko'rinmayapti. Bu yoqdan ham menimcha xato qilmadigani ham bilmadim, lekin bu yoqda menimcha 100% to'g'ri. Xo'p, tahlil qilayotgan payti baribir tushuntirib berish ko'p vaqt olib qo'yadi. Motions bo'ldi. Nimani kutamiz? Agar xato qilgan bo'lsak, qani o'rganamiz. Ikkita xato qilamiz. 7 bilan 9-savollarda xato qilamiz. Qani ko'ramiz. The importance of why dot shelter. Qaysi javob bo'ladi? Voy, mana buni oxirgi bosgandik-ku. Menimcha bu yoqda oxirgisi ko'rinmay qolgan. Men bu yoqda hozir menda kameram turibdi-da, men bu joyda. Sizlarga ko'rinmaydi bu yoqda ekran zapis qilayotgan paytimda. O'shaning uchun menimcha oxiri ko'rinmay qoldi. Bu jadval ko'rinmay qoldi menga. O'shaning uchun buni xato hisoblamaymiz. Bu oxirgi paragrafdan olgandim. O'shaning uchun buni xato hisoblamaymiz. Bitta men bu xato bo'lishi mumkin bo'lgan holat hozir men uchun. Mana shu to'g'ri, mana shu oxirgisini sal tavakkalroq o'rgandim. The facial expression varies in the perceiver can to some extent vary between cultures. They vary between cultures. The importance of culture, facial expression was initially described. G'alatiroq savol ekan. Vary between cultures with the evidence. Explain qilavergan shuni. Nima deyapti bu yoqda? Question asks what the importance of culture on social exchange initially described the paragraph. At the beginning of the passage, noting the word there is. Juda ham g'alati savol, juda ham g'alati savol. Bunaqa savol tushishi kamdan kam holatda uchraydi. Tasavvur qilinglar, mana bunaqa narsa savol beryapti-da hozir. Mana shunaqa haqida gap birinchi marta aytilgan, qaysi paragrafda aytilgan degan narsa bo'lyapti. Bilmadim, lekin men shuncha balki men adashayotgandirman, noto'g'ri baho berayotgandirman. Men shuncha 9 olib readingdan biron marta bunaqa holatga, bunaqa savolga duch kelmaganman, bilmadim. Yana ham g'alati. Men bu initially describe degani xuddi bir qaysi paragrafda describe qilingan degan savolni berar ekanda. The importance of culture on facial expression. Significance, importance degan joyni o'tkazib yuboramiz. Mana juda ham oson, to'g'ri, lekin chiqarsa bo'lar edi, salgina vaqtni nimasiga bosimida noto'g'ri olib qo'ydikda buni. Buni mana bu narsani xato hisoblamaymiz, 9 ni xato hisoblamaymiz. Xullas, mana shunaqa gaplar o'g'aylar. Bugungi tahlilimiz shulardan iborat. Keyin qilishinglar mumkin bo'lgan narsa bu nima qilib chiqish kerak? Xo'p. Keyword table qilib chiqish kerak. Keyword table ayniqsa mana savol turi uchun juda ham kerak bo'ladi. Hozir sizlarga maslahat beraman, anaqa menga o'xshab turib 15 minut ichida ishlab chiqishi. Agar alohida passage ishlayotgan bo'lsanglar, iloji bo'yicha ko'proq vaqt qoldirib ishlashga harakat qilinglar. Bemalol, agar levelinglar 7 dan past yoki 7 atrofida bo'ladigan bo'lsa, men sizlarga bu narsani maslahat bermayman. Ya'ni o'sha 15 minut vaqt ichida tez shoshib ishlagandan ko'ra, sifatsiz ishlagandan ko'ra sifatli ishlagan ma'qulroq. Shu passageda qanaqadir boshqa joyda topib turib, aynan bu veb-saytda emas, yoki bo'lmasa shu veb-saytda ham ilojini qilsa bo'ladi, vaqtini qanaqadir nima qilish. Balki submit qilmasdan turib ham ishlashda davom etsak, menimcha qabul qilib ketmasdi. Yana ham bilmadim, lekin o'zim submit qilib yubordim. Keyingi videoda ko'ramiz. Qani yana bitta video olmoqchiman. Keyingi video explanationda ko'ramiz qanaqa ishlar ekan o'sha funksiyasi. Guys, thank you for watching.